Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Docs. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Docs, you should just go to settings. After that you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you click on Google Docs and you click. After that in this page of app info you click on force stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that you click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait for a second to turn on your Wi-Fi again. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Google Docs. If you will find the update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.